student, do you know what is a polygon? In last video we have discussed what is a polygon. A polygon is a simple closed figure made up of entirely line segment, right? So far you studied polygons of 3 or 4 sides known as triangles and quadrilaterals respectively. We now try to extend the idea of a polygon to figures with more numbers of sides. We may classify polygons according to the number of their sides. You can find many of these shapes in everyday life. Windows, doors, walls, blackboards, notebooks are all usually rectangular in shape. Floor tiles are rectangles, isn't it? The triangle finds application in construction field. And a bee knows the usefulness of a hexagonal shapes in building its house. Look around you and see where you can find all these shapes. And see, look at the screen. Here, number of the sides are given and name of the polygons also given. This is fixed. This is the name of a polygon when the sides are given. Do you have any idea about three-dimensional shapes? Here are a few shapes you see in your daily life. Each shape is a solid. It is not a flat shape. What do you mean by solid and flat? If two-dimensional figure, then it will become flat one, and if it is a three-dimensional, it become solid one. Yes, look at the screen. The ball is a sphere, right? It is a spherical shape, three-dimensional figure, right? The ice cream is in the form of a cone. It's a cone shape. The can is a cylinder, right? It's in the shape of a cylinder. The box is a cuboid, and a die, right? The playing die is a cube. And see, this is the shape of a pyramid. When it comes to three-dimensional shapes, we have faces, edges, and vertices. 3 terms to learn, okay? In case of many three-dimensional shapes, we can distinctly identify their faces, edges, and vertices. What do you mean by these terms? Consider a cube, for example. Each side of a cube is a flat surface called a flat face, or simply a face. Okay? 2 faces meet a line segment called an edge. 3 edges meet at a point called vertex, or you can simply term it a corner. Okay? And you can take another example, a diagram of a prism. In our maths lab, you have seen that one of its face is a triangle. So it is called triangular prism. The triangular face is also known as its base. Okay, it's in the base side. A prism has 2 identical bases. The other faces are rectangles. Okay, if the prism has a rectangular base, it is a rectangular prism. Can you recall another name of a rectangular prism? A pyramid is a shape with single base. The other face are triangles. See, you can look at the screen. The base is a rectangle here, and other faces are triangles. And see this figure, here is a square pyramid. Why? Its base is a square. And look at these figures. The cylinder, the cone, and the sphere have no straight edge. Can you find any edges of this? What is the base of a cone? Circle. The cylinder has 2 bases. What is it? Again, circle. Now I have a question for you. If sphere has no flat surfaces, right? So, how many faces are there for a sphere? Think about it and you can tell your answer in the comment box. Thank you for watching.